Before you subscribe to Netflix, stop right there, because most people assume all Netflix plans are basically the same. The surprising truth is that each plan affects streaming quality, simultaneous screens, and device compatibility, and picking the wrong one could limit your viewing experience. Netflix offers three main plans: Basic, Standard, and Premium. You won't believe what happens next when users discover that the differences aren't just about price. They determine HD availability, 4K support, and how many people can watch at the same time. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They assume higher price only adds more content. In reality, content is the same across plans. What changes is picture quality and the number of devices that can stream simultaneously. The basic plan is the cheapest, allowing one screen at a time, and standard definition SD streaming. It's perfect if you watch alone or on a single device. The standard plan costs more, but supports two simultaneous streams in high-definition HD. This is ideal for couples or small households who want better picture quality. The premium plan is the top-tier option, supporting four simultaneous streams in 4K Ultra HD with HDR. If you have a larger household or want the best viewing experience, this plan is worth it. The surprising truth about Netflix pricing is that the right plan depends on your household size and your device preferences, not content access. You can't unlock exclusive shows by paying more. It's about quality and convenience. If this pricing breakdown helped you choose the right Netflix plan, subscribe for more streaming service comparisons and tips to save money.